Want to give your WordPress site a seamless, professional login experience for your members or clients without sending them to that plain old WP login page. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest way to add a front-end login page, along with handy widgets that fit right into your site's look and feel. By the end, you'll know how to set up everything using a popular plugin called Theme My Login. Customize where users land after logging in, and make sure your login links are always easy to find. Let's jump right in. Now, there are a few ways you can create a front-end login system in WordPress. But if you want the fastest route, with minimal setup and smart defaults, I recommend starting with the Theme My Login plugin. It does almost all the heavy lifting for you, so you don't have to touch any code or wrestle with complicated settings. First up, from your WordPress dashboard, head over to Plugins, click on Add New, and search for Theme My Login. You'll spot it quickly. It's a really well-known plugin, especially for membership and client sites. Go ahead and install it, then activate. The moment you hit activate, you'll notice something pretty cool. The plugin instantly creates all the essential pages for you. That means you get login, registration, lost password, and even reset password pages. And the best part is, they're styled to match your current WordPress theme right out of the box, so you don't get those jarring style changes or generic off-brand forms. It's almost as if those pages were part of your site all along. Now, while these pages are live, your users might not actually see them unless you make them easy to find. So your next step is to include these new pages in your site's menu. Just head over to Appearance, then Menus in your dashboard. You'll see the new login-related pages available in the list on the left. Add them to your main navigation menu or wherever it makes sense for your users. This is a small detail, but it makes a massive difference in user experience. Think about times you've gotten frustrated hunting for a login link. With these menu items up front, users always know where to start. Here's where you can really start to customize things. Theme My Login includes options that let you decide what happens after users log in or log out. Maybe you want members to land straight on their profile page, or maybe send everyone back to the homepage as a subtle way of welcoming them into the site. You'll find these settings under the Theme My Login section in your dashboard. Take a minute to think about your user flow and choose the redirection that fits best. Remember, a smooth login and redirect flow doesn't just look professional, it actually helps keep users engaged and less confused. One reassuring note: if you make a change and aren't sure it's working, you can always log out and test things with a dummy user account. And if your site has a caching plugin, sometimes you may need to clear your cache to see updates right away. Don't worry if things look off at first. That usually solves it. And that's really all there is to it. Thanks to Theme My Login, you've turned a plain, generic login process into a branded, welcoming experience for your users. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have questions or run into any issues, just drop a comment below. I check them regularly and love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.